Hello guys, good day everyone. Welcome to my YT channel. For today's video guys, let's go unboxing all the stuff that I purchased in the city about probably 7-8 weeks ago. So let's go whole our unboxing mga kaibigan. Umpisa na po natin. Kung kayo po ay nagsusubaybay po, nanonood po ng aking videos, you will notice one of my video in my upload video sa aking channel page. Pumunta po ako sa city at nag-shopping po. So, ngayon ko lang po i-unboxing. There are different places po yung pinorchase ko yung mga product. So, and yesterday, that's included yesterday as well. So, ayan guys, ito po yung, ano po guys, yung pure soul. Ayan, Korean brand po siya. Ayan guys. So, nilagay ko na lang din po yung binili ko pong beauty product as well from Boots. So, unahin muna natin to. Ayan. Mayroon po akong nabiling glass skin on the go. Ayan po siya. Ano po siya, pang cleansing set for in the daytime. Ayan po, for daytime po siya. Ayan siya. Nakikita nyo ba yan guys? Ayan po. So, binuksan ko na siya. So, tingnan natin ulit ang laman, kung ano include. Ayan. So, mayroon po siyang laman na pure cleansing balm. Ayan po siya guys, pure cleansing balm. And then, mayroon po siyang moisture cream. Ayan. And then, mayroon po siyang skin essence. Ayan po guys. Set na po siya. And then, the other one is pure cleansing oil. Ayan, pwede po siyang pangtanggal to ng makeup. So, ayan po yung laman. And then, they give me a freebies. Ano lang po to siya? Ano, parang shower gel siya, guys. Kunti naman lang yung laman. Shower gel lang siya. And then, of course, pinahuli ko talaga ito, guys. Yung D'Alba. Ayan. Yung isang subaybayan ko po na content creator, ito po yung ginagamit niya guys. Binuksan ko na po siya guys kasi super ganda talaga ito. Mayroon po siyang serum na din. Mayroon din po siyang, ito po siyang tinatawag na D'Alba First Spray Serum. Dehydrated and Radiant Skin Double Layer Serum enriched with white truffle from Italy. Ang ganda talaga to guys. Guys, kung gusto nyo talagang gumamit ng ganito or mag-purchase, you can order it through Amazon. Make sure they are legit guys. Ito guys, I only purchase dito po sa Pure Soul. Kasi Korean product kasi ito siya. And then, may mga sunscreen din po siya, day cream. It's more cheaper to order in Amazon guys. Especially, there are Black Friday. They have a 45% off any product of D'Alba if you purchase. And grab the opportunity while on sale guys, because if the regular price of this, I purchase about 28 pound I think, but double check guys, but it's more cheaper in Amazon, guys. And also, ang ganda talaga niya, guys. You can use spray it. Wash your face first. And then once you wash your face, and you need to use your toner to clean the excess of makeup in your face or cream that you put on there. And then after that, you spray this one. Ang bango talaga nito, guys. Ang bango talaga nito. And then you can use as well their product, the Alba sunscreen. Maganda din siya. And ito yung binili ko, guys, kasi I can use this. You can use direct after you spray in your face. One is dry. You can apply makeup straight away. And after makeup, you can spray as well for set the makeup. Hindi siya nag-caking, guys. Yung parang, ano ba, yung parang nagda-dry yung balat mo. Super ganda talaga, guys. I'm amazed this product, honestly. If you purchase the product by the shop or sa eBay, extra careful din, guys, kasi baka may mga ano din, may mga not legit ba. May mga ano siya, QR code dito. You can scan it if it's legit or not online. So, ito po yung laman niya. Ayan, nagamit ko na po siya, guys. Bibili ako. I'm gonna buy some more of this and the sunscreen. I just only purchased one to try. Kung maganda talaga siya. Before you use, you need to shake. Ganyan po siya. Because I'm already used before I put my makeup on. And then, I'm gonna put this as well again. For like a setting spray. Ayan. Leave it to dry lang, guys, siya. Maganda talaga siya, guys. Hindi siya yung parang nag-bakbak ang tawag yun. Kicking ba? Hindi siya nagbe-baking sa mukha mo yung mga makeup mo. Ayan. Ang ganda talaga at saka mabango. Talagang recommended ko to. If you can afford, guys, I recommended talaga ito sa paggamit, guys. Kasi you don't need day cream or something. Marami na siyang organic na ingredients dito. So, maganda siyang gamitin, guys. And then, pumunta po ako sa Boots, guys. Bumili lang ako ng L'Oreal. Ito po yung binili ko na L'Oreal. Nung pumunta ako doon sa pag-collect ng aking repeat prescription. Ito L'Oreal Night Cream. And then L'Oreal Day Cream. Hindi ko pa siya nagamit, guys. Pero yung night cream, inumpisahan ko na po siya. So, ayan. Yung mga beauty product. This one's from Boots. Bumili na din po ako ng toothpaste doon sa range. And then, ito po, samantalang phone holder or stand. Ayan. Unboxing na din natin nito. 4 pounds 99 lang po siya, which is 5 pounds. Mura lang po, guys. Ayan. Ito po siya. Pwede mo to siyang ibaliktad. Ganyan. Ganyan siya. Tapos, lagay mo to dito yung phone mo. Ayan, guys. Or like that. Ganyan po siya. Steady naman po siya. Mabigat yung metal. Ayan. Samantala lang muna iyan. And then, I purchased some candles. DW Home candles. Linen and also fresh lemon. Ayan. It's good to give a present for this, especially for Christmas. If you wanted making a Christmas hamper, or you making a advent calendar, making sure your advent calendar is quite big so that can fit in the box. It's quite ideal as well for making Christmas basket, really. and you put some lots of like pamper product like lotion, anything that you can think of to put and add on to your Christmas hamper basket. And then this one is $12.99 guys, $12.99. And this one is lavender, DW Home product as well, brand is $9.99. It's lavender. It smell nice guys, it smell nice. I got another one of these but it's run out, that's why I bought some more. Yan, ito po siya guys, ito po siya. It's run out already, it's lavender as well. That's why this is what I like, this kind of candle, like lavender is makes you relax really and make your house smell nice. So mabango talaga siya guys. So i-lit it up na natin to. Ayan, para may magagamitin po tayo. So ayan lang guys. Oh, anyway, I dropped by as well in Tiki Maxx yesterday when roaming around yesterday in the store. This one is £12.99. The earrings is Noah Blake. Ayan, ang ganda ng packaging niya. You can use this for add-on to your advert calendar or your Christmas hamper basket. Ayan, for present as well guys. So ito po guys ay only cubic zirconia stone, but it's not a real diamond guys, and is sterling silver yung kanyang ano. Ayan, silver po siya pero is not a diamond. So buksan natin ito to. Oops. Ito po siya guys, stud lang po siya guys, stud earrings. Kasi nawala po kasi guys yung mga earrings ko. I've always lost my earring, especially yung panglabas ba guys, or yung ganito, ito sa likod ng earrings, you can see that one. I always lost that one, so I'll retry this one. Ayan, hindi ako bumibili ng mga mamahaling earrings guys kasi palagi ko nawawala yung stud niya sa likod, yung parang pang-lock ba guys. Ayan, nawawala. Hindi naman ako sanay sa mga hoops na earrings. Gusto ko yung mga ano ganito to or pearl. Ayan, maganda din siya. Pero silver po yung kanyang ano. Oh, saan na ba yun? Ayan, muntik na naman mawala guys. Sinuot ko na siya. Ayan. Kasi you can use this when you're going out. Ayan, or daily basis. Maganda siya ha. In fairness. Ayan. Ganda diba guys? Ayan. May earrings na tayo. Kasi lately, wala akong earrings. So yan lang guys. Ang aking i-haul sa inyo. What I purchased in Pure Soul, Boots, Range, and also HomeSense and Tiki Maxx. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to my video guys, please don't forget to like and share and comment and subscribe as well. And thank you so much to all my legit friend, nag-aabang at nagsusubaybay po, nanonood po sa aking videos. Thank you so much. And bigger shout out to all of you. Hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin. So maraming salamat guys. Ito na po yung ating napamili na mga beauty products sa different branch dito sa UK. So yan lang po masishare ko. Thank you for watching guys. God bless everyone. Take care and keep safe. And bye for now.